My name is Sovinc, I'm an architect. I'm going to present you Project Park Koper. Let me introduce you to our studio nota. This is the team with principals Dan and Milan in the middle. Park is situated next to a busy promenade, connected Koper with its residential areas. Our task was to pull people in. The shape we chose is an infinite loop. It's a shape that makes people naturally wonder, where is this path going to lead me to? The actual three-dimensional shape is a seamless progression of sections flowing from one into another. This is open-ended enough to create all sorts of conditions that can satisfy our program needs, but also leave it undefined. This gives people opportunity to invent new, unpredictable, innovative ways how to use this park. Let me explain the process of describing the shapes for the construction drawings. We divided the project into semicircular parts. Each part has a central point, which is exactly positioned in space. From that point, everything is measured from. We cut our shape every 2 degrees. The name of the section is also the direction of the sky. This is to have the redundancy of the information and to help prevent confusion on the building site. Everything we do, we try to do it as clear, as simple as possible. We use Rhino with the plugin Grasshopper. Our definition generates sections automatically. In this way, the object is defined only once in 3D space. All the plans and sections are automatically generated from there. These are the actual plans that were taken to the building site. It's important to note that having a good worker on the site is of an essence. We were lucky because Samir was able to explain to other workers what needs to be done. The equipment they used is typical of any building site. This is a horizontal laser. It creates a laser plane from which everything is measured from. And this is how the distances are measured on the site. Metal rods correspond to points in a computer. The concrete is laid in layers. To achieve this, they used a very dry mixture of cement and water. This made concrete very viscous and it prevented it from sliding down. Rebar was added to prevent cracks, and at the end comes the final layer. We took special care of how slippery we're gonna make it. If it's too slippery, people can fall. If it's too rough, people can hurt their skin. And this is how the project is taking its final shape and the final result. Just as intended, as soon as the park opened, curiosity pulled people in. The park became especially popular amongst children. We couldn't entirely predict how the people will use the park, but the flowing shapes seems to trigger movement in people. They were walking, running, cycling, playing with the water. Some people even started to dance. Overall, space ended up with a great vibe. Thank you for listening. My name is Peter. See you next time. Bye.